Hi, welcome to Managing Key Accounts. This is the first video in a series of videos to show you how to use Strategy Mapper to manage key accounts in Salesforce. So the first thing we're going to cover in this short video is the customer goal and objectives. It's imperative to know and understand the objectives of the customer, short-term and long-term. This ensures that your overall account strategy is in sync with the customers. The next thing we're going to cover are our objectives, a checklist. This could be a standardized list of what has to be accomplished, could be color coded to track it, or a text box where you need to go ahead and put your goal objectives to be able to map back to the customer's goal and objectives. We have to be able to support theirs to be able to drive revenue within this account. So let's jump right into it. As you can see that I am in Salesforce and I'm in an account called Big Data Analysis. I've already selected my template or the plan type that I want to use, and it's called Key Accounts. And there's some information in here that's pulled in based on the template. Now, here is where I can go over my account strategy. What's my overall account strategy? I can put whatever I want in here as an overall picture of how I'm going to manage and strategy that I'm going to use in this account. Here I'm going to put the customer goal and objectives. If I've already met with the customer and I know they've told me their goal and objectives, I would put them here. I want to make sure that I'm in sync with their goals. I understand their goals and I understand the objectives to be able to reach their goals. So I want to annotate those right here. I can put bold, italicize, link, a picture, whatever I need to put in here. Then I want to use or put what's our goal and objectives. Based on their goal and objectives, what are my goal and objectives? This could be for quarter, semi-annually, yearly, and I can even have it prompt me to update these particular fields. For example, because we do score everything in the plan, if I've done some work in here, 0 is I haven't done anything, working is 50. Let's say that I've completed it. It would then prompt me to say, hey, how often do you want to go ahead and update this particular section? And what it'll do then, it'll create a task in Salesforce reminding you to go back and update this particular section. But right now I'm just kind of working on this right here. And as you can see, when I do things in the plan, the save button turns to red to visually remind me that I need to go ahead and click this to save the plan. So let's kind of move forward here. So again, I put my goal and objectives here. And then based on the template that I use, my management has came up with some information that I need to put in here, like what differential value do we bring to this account? What sets us apart from from this account? What do we have better than the competitors? Very high level about this. And the last one is, what success have I had in the account? What have we done good in this account? Where have we driven revenue? Maybe what group? Very important. This. And again, I can remind myself to update these things periodically. So again, the account strategy, customer goal and objectives, our goal and objectives, what differential value do we bring, and success. Now these may be labeled a little different in your organization, and that's okay. It's all based on your sales methodology, your taxonomy, what verbiage you use to be able to manage your key accounts. Now, something else based on the template is that I have some predefined objectives by my management, and they can be 1, 10, 20. It's basically what is the objective, maybe some coaching advice provided to me, and I can even put input in here to this coaching advice or whatever I want to use. I can delete it and put whatever I want in here. But then I also can track it based on, I met with the key stakeholders, or maybe I haven't. That's a red flag. Maybe I haven't done that yet. So I'll go and put yes and make sure again it prompts me to save it because we're scoring this account. And further videos in this series we'll get a look at the scoring aspect of it and all about the plan. But really in this first one, I just want to kind of show you again, uh, the account strategy, customer goal and objectives, our goal and objectives, how we would do it, what differential value and success, and then again, how to score it. So I'm going to say we're working right here. Again, that's going to give me 50 points. And our objectives, color coded, predefined, very easy to use. So thank you for watching this short video, the first in a series of videos on Strategy Mapper and how to manage key accounts using Strategy Mapper. If you're already a Strategy Mapper customer, thank you. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. If you're not a Strategy Mapper customer, please reach out to us also, and we'd love to be able to start a 30-day trial or schedule a demo to show you the full capabilities of Strategy Mapper. In the next video, we're going to be going over the customer buying process. Have a great day.